everyone, in this video I'll show you how to schedule messages to send later in Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to schedule your message. Message itself doesn't have a built-in scheduler, but here's a workaround that works in. You can use Google Message app or scheduled app like Sched-it. Write your message, set the time, and choose Messenger as the app to send through. You can also use Shortcuts app to create an automation. Set the time and add an action and write your message with a prompt to send it manually at the exact moment. If you run a Facebook page, go to Meta Business Suite, then choose Inbox, then create message, schedule, send to set auto delivery. Double check the schedule and your message will be sent right on time. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.